This is the Gundam edition Reno Ace 2. This is amazing. Okay guys, so when you purchase the Gundam edition phone, you also get this game controller as well for your phone, especially just for your phone, alright? Very cool. Hey guys, so the phone has already attached the controller onto it, so this is how it looks like. It's very cool, one really cool phone. Alright, cool, that's it. This cool phone also comes with this cool Gundam color layout as well. So as you can see, the Type-C cable, white, yellow, red, and even a plug. Okay guys, so let's see the phone. So this is the wallpaper. Unlock it. So all the icons, everything is all in the custom Gundam. Wow, cool. Very cool. I love it. Loving this phone now. Really want to have one of this. So cool, this phone. Look at that. Look at the icons. Definitely a must-have if you are a Gundam fan.